Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to double crochet. So all you need is some yarn and the appropriate size hook. Okay, to start, take your yarn and make a slip knot. And then I'm going to chain 12. Okay, once you've chained 12, you want to skip the last two chains that you made. So not this one on your hook, but skip 1, 2, and you're going to double crochet into the third chain. So yarn over your hook, skip 1, 2, insert your hook into the third chain, yarn over, pull it through the chain. So now you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, and you want to pull through the first 2 loops. So now you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through the last 2. Okay, so there's your chain 2 that you skipped, and there's your first double crochet. Okay, so to make another one, yarn over your hook, go into the next chain, yarn over and pull through that chain. Okay, so there's your 3 loops. Now you want to yarn over and pull that through your first 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through your last 2. Okay, yarn over, go into the next chain, yarn over and pull through that chain. So 3 loops, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, 2 loops left, yarn over and pull through those last 2. Okay, so now you've made 3 double crochets. Okay, so I'm going to continue to double crochet until the end, and then I'll show you how to turn and start the next row. So just yarn over into the next chain, yarn over, pull through that chain, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through the last 2. Okay. So just go nice and slow until you learn how to do this stitch. Okay, so now I'm at the end. That's how they should look. And if you want to start another row, chain 2 and turn. And then you want to yarn over and go into the the top of the last double crochet that you made. Okay, so then you just work 1 double crochet in each stitch. So every time you get to the end of a row and you want to start a new row, you just chain 2 and turn. Okay, so here's the front of the double crochet, and this is what the back looks like. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.